ng damit. Sisi, ito ay sobrang pulido. My goodness. Kung nagustuhan niyo yung Loewe na dumating sa inyo, this is quite much better. So, okay din yun, but this one is more premium. Even that here, hindi siya ganun kalapad, sisi, no? Pakaganda. Look at that. This is embroidered. There you go. Ganyan ang haba niya. Ang inyong tindera ay large. This one, si perfect po ay 699. This one is free size. Ako'y large. So, small, medium, quite big. Pero pag large XL, 2XL kayo, bongga. Sisters, look at that. May bigat to, sisi, ha. Hindi to yung manipis na pag ganun may run agad. Pwede sa maselan. Pwede po sa maselan kung tela ang pag-uusapan, sisi. This one is fully embroidered. Pwede daw po sa ma-artit sa maganda. Ayan, sisi. So, this one ay ang affordable lang po. This one is 749 door to door. Look at that. Tingnan nyo, sisi. Whether it's a casual look, sister, since hindi nga siya kalapadan yung ganito niya, super nice, no? Hindi kalapadan, ganyan. Look at that. Naka-shorts lang, very pretty. 749 and we have colors to choose from. Code natin dito, LOPR. So, PR is for premium. CCL. Ganda. God, look at this, CC. Look at this color. My goodness, this is the nude color. Meron tayong white that never disappoint. Ganda nito sa black shorts. I'll be wearing this sa black shorts. Wait lang, CC. The cream is a game changer. CC, you look so expensive. Cream, napakaganda po. Then we have the taupe. Ito naman yung talagang yayamanin look, so expensive, no? Then we have the gray color. 749, code LOPR. Don't forget the color. It's free size. It's free size. Code natin dito, LOPR. Merong white. Sisi, merong white. Hi, Sisi Jenny. Sisi, hanggang last week na ng March. Yahoo! Sisi. Tapos may parating pa ulit ako sa Wednesday. Wait lang, Sisi, ha, ng picture ulit. Same deal tayo. Thank you po. Thank you po sa mga nag-order ng perfect. Thank you, Sisi Leia, for the compliment, Sisi. That's nice of you. Second box and on your third box. Tama? Salamat, Sisi. There. Now, let me wear the cream color, which is recommended. Makapal to, Sisi. May bagsak yan. LOPR black. Now, let me wear the... Ang suot kong shorts, it's ese. Yung tinatanong kahapon. Sisi, tinan nyo yung suot kong shorts. Sobrang maliwanag ba ako sa live? Sisi, look at that. Look at the fabric. Itong laylayan niya folded, Sisi. There you go. This is one of my best-selling shorts. It's SM, made in Thailand. There you go. Look at the cut here. This is the cut. Ito yung pwedeng pang-casual look na shorts. Yes, Sophia is really, really nice as well. Kasi mas mahaba yun. Ito naman pinaikli. Tapos nilagyan siya ng fold right here. To give you that extra parang social pa. Sisters, and we have 5 colors to choose from. Now, let me wear the cream color.
Thank you. Okay po, Ma'am Nobi. Thank you din po. Sabi ni Ma'am Leia, anong second? Pang-apat na ni Ma'am Leia.
Pang-apat na ga? Ano ga? Ang dahil na pala box. Thank you, Sisi. Pang-apat na box. Nakare-receive lang ng third. Am I right? This one is, anong second pala? I love you. Say thank you. Bukas po ako. Sige, ma'am. Good morning. Good morning, Sir JJ. Magandang gabi po. There you go. So this one is the LOPR cream. So as I've told you, look at that. Very, very nice. Free delivery to your doorstep. It's silk. May kakapalan to, Sisi. So, very affordable for only 749 pesos. Pakaganda. Kung po kayo large XL, you should be getting this. Ito po ay embroidered, yung nasa pocket niya, na Loewe. It's embroidered. There you go. Very, very nice. Free delivery to your doorsteps. Ay, ang ganda. Colors available again. We have the cream color. Let me wear other colors pa po. Bagsak na bagsak ito, Sisi. Look at that. Ba, hindi ko pala ito na-post. Super nice. Tsunanan! While sa short, waiting for my third box. Good evening, mga kamarupok. Thank you, Miss Ero. Third box pa lang ba? Hindi ba fifth na? Ang colors nandito for. So if you want my short sisters, the code for this one is D2 for white. Small, medium, large, XL. Of course, your tindera is large. CC, there you go. So we have the white color. Very nice. Meron din tayong blue color. It's like denim blue. Must have as well. Look at that. Very nice as well. Next, we have the cream color. Ganda din ang cream eh. And lastly, we have the brown. For today, this is the star of the night. You see for the bottom part. Sisters, kasi nga maganda yung atake ng pagka-shorts niya. It's folded and it's SCC. Kahapon, parang 2 days na nag-aas. Bakit po Hila, hindi kayo nag-live sa SC? CC, I've got 2 shorts today for SC. So, meron tayong folded ang baba, ganyan. Then, I have the plain one. This one, CC, ibinibigay lang po ng tendera. Super, super affordable. Sisters, for only 599 pesos. Yes, 599 only. Free delivery na yan! Yung ganito kaganda na short, ay nako, Sisi. Napakaganda po. Ngayon, i-comment ko, Sisi, ang waistline. Large.
Ito yung madam yung pagka... ano yan? Double satin.
Apakakapal ng fabric. Grabe, naging small na si Sisi. How much po si Perfect? Sisi, 699 lang si Perfect. There you go. I have the black. Closer look ng white ha para makita nyo. Sisi, kahit naka-undis kayo dito ng black, no worries at all. No worries at all. Fabric-wise, napakakapal, napakaganda. Sisters, ito yung medyo yayamanin na short, Sisi. Look at that. Para siyang Sophia na pinaikli. There.